Health benefits of rosemary. Cancer prevention. Rosemary shares cancer-fighting, immune-boosting properties. Helps slow cancer cells. Rosemary has been proven to slow the progression of leukemia and breast cancer cells. Rosemary protects eyes from macular degeneration. Rosemary repairs and protects vision on a cellular level. Rosemary improves memory and protects the brain from aging. Rosemary is a herbal remedy for upset stomach and digestion. Rosemary may help to heal the central nervous system. Rosemary has powerful antioxidants that help heal nerves. Rosemary helps improve cognitive function. Use as aromatherapy. Rosemary is high in manganese, which helps wounds heal faster. Rosemary stops hair thinning and stimulates hair growth in males and females. This presentation is for informational purposes only. Rosemary has a powerful antioxidant called carnosol, which helps balance hormones. Rosemary increases blood circulation. Rosemary has powerful antiviral compounds that may help fight viruses. Rosemary may lower blood sugar levels. Drink in tea form for best results. Please consult your doctor before taking this herb. Like and subscribe to see more content like this.